big point. So here is a software engineering internship opportunity. Uh, so the location is Bangalore. You can see here the details of the company is mentioned here. The company name is Sense. So it has 300 plus team members, serves 700 plus customers, and has grown 100% year, 100% year over year since launch. So we have raised $90 million in funding. So that is the information given about the company, and this is the description of work responsibility. Job requirement is pursuing a degree in computer science. 25-26 batch students can apply for it, and skills as proficiency in HTML, CSS, React JS, certificate informal dress code, 5 days a week, and free snacks. So if anybody students, if any of you are interested to apply for this, you can apply. The link is provided in the description box, and share to your friends also. The expected stipend is 50,000 per month, and like the video for better reach. Thank you.